Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Fernie, and today I am going to bring you a little unboxing slash mini review slash first impressions of the YouCheer 33 Luxury Gel Nail Polish. Now, you can purchase this on Amazon. So this gel polish set runs for $39.99 on Amazon. Now, let me tell you, that to me is a good bargain. Now, gel polish is going to be a little bit more expensive than regular nail polish, just in general, because gel polish is very convenient. All you gotta do is just paint your nails, cure them in the lamp for like 30 to 60 seconds, and you're done. Regular nail polish, on the other hand, oh my god, girl. You freaking paint your nails, you paint a coat, and if it's not opaque, you gotta paint another coat, but you gotta wait like 10 minutes before that coat dries. It's a mess. And then sometimes once you're done, you think it's dry, you go ahead and touch it, and boom, like you ruin the design. No. So gel polish, yes, it's a little bit more expensive, but it's more faster and it's more convenient. So like I said, this is $39.99 on Amazon. Now, if you got Prime like I do, you get it in 2 days, so I think it's a great little kit. Now, I was able to get this set for $29.99, so I saved $10. Now, let me tell you, sometimes on Amazon, if you put things in your cart or you save it for later, prices fluctuate, so sometimes things can go up or they can go down. So I did notice about a couple days ago, this went down to $29.99, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy it. I waited a couple hours, and then right when I was gonna purchase it, it went back up to $39.99. So I was like, you know what, that's still a good amount, but you know, if it went down once, it's gonna go down again. So I think I waited maybe another like 2 extra days, and it went back down to $29.99, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna purchase it. So now I have it in my possession, and I am very excited, guys. I really am. I have been wanting to expand my gel polish collection, and like I said, it can be expensive. It can run you a pretty penny. But the good thing about this is that you get 30 colors and an array of it. So you get some nudes, you get glitters, you get neons, you get some darks. So you get a good amount, because something that I've noticed too is that a lot of gel polish sets tend to be of the same color scheme. So it'll be like a set of like nude polishes, or a set of like different shades of red or purple. So I mean, I do enjoy that, but I wanted to expand. Now, the only negative thing that I do have is, well, there's kind of two negatives. This one is just the way that it came to my doorstep. Now, it comes in this box. The polishes come in like a little styrofoam, so they're kind of protected, you know, they're not gonna move. But it literally just came like this. Instead of it being in a box or like in a parcel packaging with like some bubble wrap, it literally was just left on my doorstep like that. So you can see a little bit of like the dings that the box got. It's not a problem for me, because obviously I'm just gonna end up throwing the box out anyways. But I do think that it will save the hassle and the headaches to the company and to the customers if it's just packaged a little bit better. That way, you know, things don't arrive broken, or, you know, things spill. I don't think things would spill, because like I said, they come in the styrofoam. So I did notice that like if I kind of shook the box a little bit, I could hear like the mat at the top and the base go kind of like in there loosely. So I was kind of hoping that everything was going to be intact. That's why I just wanted to do like an unboxing, just in case it was like, if it came like broken or anything, it was just going to be on camera. But no, everything came good. So maybe the company's being environmentally cautious, you know, maybe it's just me being picky, but I would prefer for them to put this box in another box, or the box in like a bubble wrap, like parcel packaging or something. But that's just me. So another little thing that I want to point out is that the colors, the 30 colors that come in this kit are small. They are tiny. They are little itty bitty baby bottles. Now, my review is coming from the perspective of someone that just does their own nails. I do my own nails, I do my own press-ons. I don't have a press-on nail business or anything like that either. So everything is just for me, for my enjoyment, or if I want to do like a press-on nails for like a family member or something, then yeah. So they are little baby bottles, I'm not gonna lie. The base, the top, and the matte top coat, they're full size, so that's great. So for me, it's not a big deal that they are teeny little baby bottles. I don't mind it because, like I said, it's an array of colors, and I personally am not gonna go through, you know, a gel polish bottle anytime soon. Now, if you are a professional and you're a professional nail tech who takes clients, or you do your own press-on nail business and it's well established, you have a lot of you know, orders and customers, then I probably would not recommend it, just because these are pretty small. So I feel like this company is more for just the regular consumer that just does their own nails. Maybe in the future they will come out with bigger sets, because from what I understand, I tried looking at other reviews on YouTube. I haven't seen any. I just saw one, and I believe her name is Laura Couture Nails. I can't really, sorry, I just burped, I'm sorry. I will make sure to leave the video that I saw down below, and I believe she is a professional nail tech, so you can get her perspective on it. But I believe what she said was that the company reached out to her, and it's a newer company, so they're not on Instagram, they're only on Facebook. I followed them, so you know, that is one thing also, is if you have any problems or anything like that, you can't really like reach out. I feel like Instagram is the place to be, especially if you are starting a business, you know. Obviously, if something comes wrong with the polishes, you can contact them through Amazon. But yeah, they're more of a newer company, so that's why I haven't seen that many reviews. But pretty much, so the company reached out to her, and you know, so she can review, and she seemed to have given favorable reviews to it, so that kind of made me want to buy it. But like I said, she's more of a professional, so if you want to see her perspective, then I'll make sure to link her video down below for you guys. But for me, like I said, I don't have a problem with them being so small. I just do my own nails. I like the fact that it comes in an array of colors, so you know, especially for me to purchase it for $30, that was a steal. So if you guys are really interested in purchasing gel polish and you want to have basically every color that you need and then some, I would highly recommend you guys check out YouCheer. And like I said, you guys can get it on Amazon. Just make sure that if you got package thieves in your area, make sure you're like alert, because like I said, this package literally just comes like this. Like, people are gonna know what you bought. So if there's a package thief that's a girl out there that's trying to do her own nails, she's gonna be like, ooh, yes, I'm gonna take that. So my video is just going to be, like I said, my unboxing, my little review / first impressions of this. So let's go ahead and get started with that, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Like this video. If you guys want to see more nail videos, I'll make sure to link some down below for you guys, or in the cards, because I just figured that stuff out. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys next time, and let's get into the rest of the video. Bye.
Alright guys, so this is my initial unboxing. This is how the polishes came out right out of the box. As you can see, the main 3 full-size top, matte, and base coat, they were kind of rattling in there, and as you can see, they came out of their initial packaging. The box comes with a little card and an instruction page on what you get and how to apply your gel polish. and I am just fixing the gel polishes to show you how they were supposed to come right out of the box. And like I stated in my intro, the box was just delivered straight to my door without any outer packaging. And I am showing you guys where you can reach them by Amazon, email, and Facebook. Alright, in your kit you're going to get 10 milliliters of base coat, matte top coat, and regular top coat. Those are basically the standard full size, and this is what you get in the kit. You get 30 colored gel polishes. Super cute packaging. I really like it. Just simple black with the hollow stickers on top, and also the color is shown on the bottle, which I appreciate because sometimes a lot of gel polishes don't show the color, so you have to unscrew the lid to know. The only thing, like I said in my intro, is that they are tiny. They are 5 milliliters, but I did look through Amazon to see other gel polish kits, and that also seems to be the standard size for any gel polish kit that is like 20 pieces and above. But super cute packaging. It did come a little dusty. I don't mind that. Just wipe it off. And that is the brush. Alright, my loves, I'm going to be taking the makart press-on nails in the coffin shape, and I'm going to be doing some swatches for you. I decided to swatch your basics, which would be a white, a black, a red, a nude, and a glitter. Basically your gel starter pack. So formula wise, I approve. I like the formula. It's not too thin and it's not too thick. Now the white was a little bit streaky, nothing too bad, nothing that a second coat can't fix. The black was awesome. I was looking for a good black and I found it. As you guys know from my last video, I was struggling with the black polish that I had from a brand called YouCheer or something. You can also purchase it on Amazon. But this black, you can see it's opaque right off the bat. The red reminded me a lot of like the Enel Couture one that I already have. But it's good. What I noticed is that you have a lot of finishes in this kit. You have your opaques, you have a little bit of like there's like a jelly polish in there. It's really pretty. You're gonna see it in some other swatches that I do. And you do have some glitters, and this glitter is a little bit sheer, but the sparkle in it, I know that the camera isn't really picking up on it. It's so beautiful. And that nude is really pretty. It's a really pretty shade of nude, and it's pretty opaque. All these swatches are just the first coat. And this one, now that what you see right here in the screen, is the second coat. And I cured each coat for 60 seconds. That is what the instructions say. So make sure when you guys buy gel polish to follow the instructions for curing times, because every brand is different. So YouCheer says to cure for 60 seconds. So now I am going to be taking the matte top coat and the regular top coat. The only thing that I did not use in this kit was the base coat, just because I was just going to do some quick swatches. I will be creating a set hopefully soon with these gel polishes, and I will also be including the base coat. That way I can also get a little bit of a feel of what that is and if it's good or not. The matte top coat, oh wait, no, this is the regular top coat. So I'm going to be using that on the nude, the glitter, and the white. So the top coat is thick. At least thicker than the ones that I have, which are like Model 1s and SXC. I really do like a thicker consistency. I think it leaves a really pretty like shiny finish. And also it kind of reinforces the nail too if you have a thicker top coat. So I really enjoyed it. I am going to be taking the matte top coat for the black and the red. Right out right out of the bottle, I noticed that it had like a little hair that was just sticking out. Nothing too bad. I just kind of cut it with one of my little cuticle nippers, so it wasn't a deal breaker.
God. Oh my god, that matte top coat. Holy crap. This is like velvet. Oh my god, it's beautiful.
As you can see by my real initial reaction, I approve of the matte top coat. I freaking love it. It's beautiful. It leaves such a velvet matte finish. And like I said, 2 thumbs up for the matte top coat. The top coat, no wipe, it's really good as well. Leaves it very shiny. And these are swatches of the neons because I think everybody loves neon, especially right now during the summer. So I wanted to include those. And it's a mixture of the top and the matte top coat so you guys can see the finishes. So here are all the swatches of the 30 gel polishes. As you can see, you have an array of colors. You have some beautiful nudes, you have some pastels, you have some bright neons, you have glitters, you have some dark gel polishes. You basically have every polish that you possibly can need for a starter pack. So the kit is $39.99 on Amazon, and if you divide that into the 33-piece set, that leaves each polish at $1.21. That is a great value. Now, I got my kit for $29.99, so that made each polish 90 cents. So, like I said, you can put it in your cart, just wait a couple days, maybe you can even get it down for $29.99. So, monetary value is great. I love the formula, it's really good. The top coat is really good as well. It's thick, it's a no wipe top coat, so that is always good. The matte top coat, obviously I approve of it. It's awesome. The base coat, I'm going to have to get back to you guys on that one. But overall, guys, I think that this is a great little kit. I am very, very happy and pleased that I purchased this. So if you guys are starting off with gel polishes, you're doing your own nails, I highly recommend this kit. Now, the only downside, like I said, was how it arrived. I would improve the packaging. I would actually put it in a box or in a parcel packaging with bubble wrap. That way your items arrive safely. But yeah, other than that, I would highly recommend YouCheer. Check them out on Amazon. You can follow them on Facebook. And yeah, I think that is about it for my final thoughts. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!